So today I'm going to talk about how to play Dig Dug. Dig Dug is a game from the 80s. Many of you have probably seen. And there's some tricks to playing Dig Dug if you want to play and get a high score. The first thing is don't shoot, don't pump the monsters. Instead, let the rocks fall on them. Here's another trick. You can actually use the pump to slow down the monsters so you can line them up. You get way more points for having rocks fall on them than for pumping them. So that's something I always do. And I like to get the places with as much space so it gives them more room, because once the rock starts falling, they start moving away. I only get 1,000 points for that, that's okay. Always get these fruit things because they're worth increasingly more money. Whenever possible, also try to shoot the... Oh, don't let him get away. Yeah, let him get away. Try to shoot the characters from the front, especially Frygar. I don't know if the Pukas matter, but Frygar here... Frygar here gets you a lot more points if you get him from the front. Oh, almost died there. You can also shoot through the dirt if it's thin. If you have like one little strand of dirt, you can shoot through it. If you have like two, you can shoot through if you're just right next to it like this. You can actually shoot them. Ah, 3. It's 4,000 points. Ah, poop. Darn it. That was my mistake. Oh, and I lost the chance to get that. That was worth some points. Oh well. Now, if you're going to shoot Frygar, shoot him from the front. Oh! Alright, so I'm doing a bad job here. But you're getting the idea. You get a lot more points if you shoot him while he's facing you. Usually. I don't know why that... I actually don't know how the points get scored, but I always get more points when he's facing me. Alright, so that was a pretty weak scoring game because I killed myself accidentally a couple times. But I was trying to show you the idea of lining up the shots and dropping the rocks on them rather than shooting them directly.